Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to talk about the max and min function. Okay, so let's start by creating a list. I'm gonna call numbers. So it'll be a list of numbers. I'm gonna try to put a random numbers here. Okay, so we have this list as you guys can see. And let's say I wanna get the highest number or the lowest number. How can I do this? So in Python there's a function called max that returns the maximum value of a list. So if we pass this list into the max function, we're gonna get the highest number, which in this case it is 14. Okay, so this is the max function. And to get the minimum value, we're gonna use the min function. Okay, so we've passed numbers in the min function, we're gonna get the lowest number. Okay, so that's how you can use those functions to get the maximum and the min value in Python. So this is the video, guys. I hope you like, and see you guys next time.